Greetings and happy holidays. Last time in STEM we made a couple of decorations for my door decorating, and one of those decorations was a hexaflexagon snowflake. Those hexaflexagon snowflakes, when you flexed them, showed you three sides. I thought it was kind of fun, and maybe we want to try a different hexaflexagon project. So this video will show you how to make a hexaflexagon. When you successfully make one, it will show you 6 different sides when you flex it. To do this project, you will need the printed picture hexaflexagon template, and scissors, and a glue stick. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out each of these strips of triangles. Notice they're two-sided. They kind of line up pretty closely front to back. So pause the video and go cut those out. Now that you've cut those out, you'll notice that one of them has a blank triangle with an A in it on one end, and on the opposite end, other side, it has a triangle that has Y in it. And the other strip has a blank triangle with B in it on one end, other end, opposite side that says X. You're going to glue with your glue stick the triangle that says A on it down on top of the triangle that says B on it. I'll show you. The triangle that says A goes on top of the triangle that says B. And line them up as nicely as you can so that when you glue it down, the pictures line up and the strip is still kind of straight. All right? A down on B. And line it up so the pictures are nice and straight. Okay. Let that glue dry, and then what you're going to do is you're going to fold. Remember how we folded our hexaflexaflakes? You fold, each triangle on the line between triangles. Now this time it doesn't really matter which direction. You kind of want to fold them all in actually both directions because this is a more complicated hexaflexagon, so they need to be able to fold backwards or forwards when we put the whole thing together into the hexaflexagon. So fold those, pause the video, and when you've got them all folded, then start the video. Okay. So I've got them all folded and into one roughly equilateral triangle. I'm going to open that equilateral triangle out. I've taken the liberty of putting some directions on Google Classroom also so they can help you when you're making your hexaflexagon from this template. So I'll show you what those look like. And we're going to follow those directions. So we have already then made, where we're at right now is we have the long rolled up strip. We're going to start at step number 2. All right, that's where we're at. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to fold this around on itself like this. Okay. So I've taken my strip and fold it under. And I'm basically like rolling it. And you can see this on the separate directions too. You'll notice that like the picture of the hummingbird or something else is right next to each other and the picture of the face is right next to each other. The pictures kind of go in sequence pretty much as you roll it. Okay, as you roll it. So when I've got it all rolled up, the back side of the hexaflexagon template isn't going to have any blank triangles on it, and the front side of the hexaflexa template is going to have the X and Y blank triangles on it. Like that. So there's X on that end, there's Y on that end. And on this side, the other side, it's all pictures. Okay, well now I want to fold it so that I'm going to have all the same pictures on the same face. So maybe we should try to do the hummingbird one. Notice when I fold it that way, I've got the hummingbird. And I fold this under that way. And I've still got the hummingbird. Okay. And fold this under this way. And I still got the hummingbird. Now, I also have X and Y, and I glue X to Y, and I end up with my hexaflexagon. A completed hexaflexagon, when you flex it, will show you all 6 different pictures, depending on how you flex it. All right? There's a snowflake picture in there, and a hummingbird's picture in there, and a flower picture. There's also a viney picture in there. Okay. Have fun with it. Do your best. And have a good holiday.